English practice daily routine. Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to start your English practice and create a daily routine as a normal person. Learning English can be a challenging task, but with a daily routine, it becomes much easier. So let's get started.
Before starting your English practice, it's essential to set your goals. Ask yourself why you want to learn English and what you want to achieve. It could be anything from improving your speaking and writing skills to getting a better job or traveling to an English-speaking country. Step 2. Create a daily routine. Once you've set your goals, it's time to create a daily routine. Here is an example of a daily routine that you can follow. Morning routine. Wake up early and start your day with a cup of coffee or tea. Read an English newspaper or listen to English news for 10 to 15 minutes. Practice your English pronunciation by repeating difficult words or phrases. Watch a short English video or listen to an English podcast for 15 to 20 minutes. Review the previous day's English lesson or grammar rule. Afternoon routine. Have your lunch while watching an English TV show or movie. Practice speaking with a language partner or tutor for 30 minutes. Write a short paragraph in English on a topic of your interest. Listen to an English audiobook or podcast for 30 minutes. Review the grammar rules or vocabulary you learned during the day. Evening routine. Relax by listening to English music or watching an English movie. Read an English book or newspaper before going to bed. Write a diary entry in English about your day. Practice your English pronunciation by reading aloud. Review the vocabulary or grammar rules you learned during the day. Step 3. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress to see how much you've improved. You can use a notebook or a language learning app to keep track of your daily routine, the new words you learned, and your speaking and writing skills. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, learning English takes time and effort, but with a daily routine, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips.